think a key word to use was augment, right? Is we talk a lot about, robotic processes and AI and ML replacing humans. But I think that what I've seen both in financial institutions, but other markets we serve, again, like legal professionals and tax professionals, is it allows subject matter experts to kind of have a more powerful automation is one thing that those technologies allow, so that they can focus more of their time on things that require their unique expertise, whether that be serving their end customers or solving more complex sort of problem. And the other thing it does is, the other example he gave with the fighter jet, right, is it gives you signals. Is it's not going to automatically get you the answer, but in a world where we're all drowning in information and signals coming from everywhere, to be able to say, we have a product that we sell to government institutions to help them detect potential fraud in public programs. And it's not going to tell you there is fraud going on here, you should deny this claim, right? That's not something we can confidently do. And there's in a highly regulated environment, it's not something we're going to do in the foreseeable future. However, what it can do is say, when you're spending your valuable time investigating, you might want to start here because there's some strange things in the signal here that are worth looking into. So it helps you prioritize your time. So I see a lot of these technologies where we're at today in the state of the art is it's helping these professionals be more efficient at their job, prioritize their time more effectively, and spend more of their hours leveraging their unique subject matter expertise rather than kind of doing things that can be automatable or are not a good use of their time.